Hi, King Digital Marketing here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add FAQ Schema to your website. So what is FAQ Schema and why would you want to add it to your local business website? Many reasons, but first and foremost, the main reason why you want to add it is because you want to get rich snippets to show up on search results. So are you ever searching for like a term or for a product or a service, and have you ever noticed that there's like a box that Google will show that you can sort of expand and it shows you more information? Here's an example. Let's say you're looking for a key cutter in Essex in UK. So here's the first search result. You'll notice that there's a rich snippet right here where you can expand and you can sort of click through, go to the page, and you'll see that there's an FAQ section right here. You're going to want to add the FAQ schema so that your website has a chance to show the same rich snippet section on search results. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on WordPress. Here's an example of a business site that I'm working on. I have the FAQ page here. We're going to click to edit with Elementor, and you can also edit with the classic or Gutenberg editor as well. We're going to add a text, and here's where we're going to add the questions and the answers. So I have the questions and the answers here. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to now add the schema. Now to do that, we're going to use a site called SergioGeorge.com. I'll have the link in the description. And on this site is where you're going to input the questions and the answers. So when you put it in here, it's going to generate the FAQ schema code on the right hand side. So as you can see, I've put the questions here and the answer in the box here, and you can add more questions and answers by clicking on add another FAQ. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is click on copy FAQ schema right here, or just highlight it, right click, and then click copy. Okay, then you're going to go back to your page, and you're going to want to now input the FAQ schema on the back end. So to add the schema, add a HTML block here, put it right at the bottom, paste your FAQ schema that we got from the schema generator here. Okay. Update it. Then you're going to back out. Preview the page. Make sure that it's saved and there's no issues. Go back. View the page. Now, the schema has been installed on the back end, so it's not meant for a regular user to see it, but rest assured that it has been implemented and that Google's bots can read the code. And if you want to double check, you'll take your URL from the top of the address bar, copy it, and you'll use a tool, a free tool from Google called the Google Structured Data Testing Tool. You put the URL, you run the test, and Google will tell you if it was able to pick up the schema. As you can see here, here it is. No errors, no warnings, no issues. FAQ page, all the questions and the answers are here. So Google can now successfully pick up the FAQ schema. Easy. You can also do the same thing with the classic editor. Go to Pages, Edit, and instead of using Elementor, what you can do is you can add a block. Okay? And when you add a block, you can do the same thing. HTML, put the block in here. You'll paste the code from here. And you'll save it. After which, you can upload your site to Search Console and just request a recrawl, or just give it some time, and eventually, hopefully, you'll start to show up for rich snippet searches, and your business can show up in that box where you can open it up and click through for an answer, a more detailed answer for your search query. I hope this was helpful. If it was, subscribe. Let me know if you need any help with any other Google issues. And I look forward to making more videos. Thanks.